Hello, so this is going to be my unboxing video from LuvMeHair. I just got this yesterday in the mail, but I was so sleepy when I woke up and I had stuff to do, but I couldn't get to it until now. Mind y'all, I just got off of work, so my words get mixed up. Ooh, look at me messing stuff up already. Okay, see, I think I messed up the ribbon that it came with. LuvMeHair. Cute purple box. This is not my first time ordering from LuvMeHair. It's about my third time. Every time is a charm. Never disappointed. That's why I continue to order. And y'all, I honestly forgot what I even ordered. But I got one of these curling / flat irons the last time. It's like a half curler, half flat iron. It works really good though. The last time mine came with like a white holder thing to go on top of the heated part. Okay, they changed up their bagging. Okay. This is cute little see-through case. Okay, period. I got a LuvMeHair clip. Real cute, real cute. Can you see that? Real cute. Shut up. Is this some other... Let me not cuss. Is this the thing for your edges? It is, y'all. I can actually... Oh, my fat arm in the way. I can lay my edges with this silk wrap. Yes. Another rat tail comb. Can't never have too many of those. Some bobby pins. And an extra band, elastic band. And some tweezers, y'all. And that is everything that comes in this see-through case. Go ahead and put this stuff back in there. Also, what comes in the box is 2 wig caps. This is like beige. But you know, nothing a little makeup can't help. Dibble dabble on top. And then the hair care, I believe this is what this is. Oh, this is the return. Oh yeah, and the hair care inside to tell you about the hair. Alright, let's open this wig on up. Let's see, little baby. I think I got the water wave. Ooh, it feels good already. Y'all, can't wait to take these box braids out that's in my head. Let me smell it. It don't stink. Okay. It's a little heavy. Okay. It's very full. Very, very full. Oh, look at that lace. Okay. Can y'all see that? Hold on. Okay. And this goes from ear to ear, y'all, with the lace. The ear to ear, ear to ear. Ear to ear. Yes. I am liking this already. And I believe I ordered a 12-inch, y'all. This is 12 inches. Okay. Okay. Curls for the girls. Curls for the girls. It's so soft. So soft. I cannot wait to get this on my head. Look at that. Pre-plucked. Pre-plucked, y'all. Pre-plucked. Let me focus. Look at that. Oh, just a beauty. Let's take a look at the inside. Clips in the back. Clips on the side. On both sides. And a clip in the front. And I'm more than likely going to take this band off for my head. But, you know, it's just there to have some extra secureness. If that's even what I'm supposed to be saying. Secureness? No. I don't know. But y'all, I can't wait to put this wig on. Ew, look. She's so bouncy. Yeah.